In this video, we're going to find the curvature of a function of one variable. So we're being asked to find the curvature of y equals tangent x. We're going to use the formula that gives us the curvature of a function of one variable as the absolute value of the second derivative divided by 1 plus the derivative squared raised to the 3/2 power. Well, I see that I need a first and a second derivative, so let's go ahead and take those. First derivative is going to be secant squared. Second derivative, we'll get a 2 secant x times secant x tangent x by the chain rule. Putting things together, you get a 2 secant squared x times tangent x. So plugging those pieces into the formula, we get a 2 secant squared x tangent x, absolute value of that on top, and a 1 plus secant squared squared to the 3/2 on bottom. We can pop the 2 and the secant squared x outside of the absolute value bars. Tangent we can't because it could be negative. The denominator is going to be 1 plus secant to the 4th x to the 3/2, and that's about as good as we can get for simplifying this without going through a bunch of other trig identities potentially, which really isn't going to make it any nicer than what we have here.